I'm back here at Pico, Injunction. There's many locations, but I tried them first here, and said I would be back to support their business. I've had the first time I tried it was in Yorkville. So let's see, watch her make it. Are you making it over here? Okay, I'm gonna just film you, not you, so. Sorry, just 1/2 pizza, pepperoni, yeah. Let's see how she does it. And thin, right? You're gonna do it, can you make it thin? Yeah. Yeah. Now for the half, is it the same like a whole, like you can put toppings and that sort of? You can't. Oh, I see. So let me just explain. So the full size one, you can customize it. Right. Okay. So, cause yeah, the custom one you can put as much toppings too, right? Okay, got it. So the half is just the basic pepperoni and no topping. Okay, got it. That's fine. But every bite will still be pepperoni, which that's what I like. Perfect. And then it goes into the oven. And it takes how long?
It takes 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Let's watch this. 9 seconds. 9 seconds, guys. Oh, it turns.
Yes.
It's turning in there. Oh, cool. So, the oven, is it a brick? Like, what is it called? Is it a
Stone oven.
a stone? Stone oven.
Stone inside.
There's stone inside.
Up to 6 pizzas in there.
Oh, okay.
And it's obviously set at 160 degrees.
Every house should have one. So even if it looks thin, it's puffing up.
Yes.
Ah.
Because of the kind of build.
Ah. There's bubbles. Neato. And that's how it looks. And just like that, it becomes. Look at that. Nice. Whoa. Okay. So just do that. And this. Okay, I'm back here. I just cycled on my live stream on Out and About with yours truly, Liz C. Thought I'd come back to the same place I came here, the Pico, and support the local business. This time I just got a small half-size piece, just quick. So I'm gonna eat something else. I'm gonna do my walk. And just a quick update. I like to go back to the same places that and continue and support them. So this is the half size. Good. Take a bite. Junction Neighbourhood, Dundas and Akil, Pico. You can custom make your pizza, the regular size, but when it's half, it's just what it is. It's good. Take your bite. Yum.
Shameless plug. Check out the live stream replay on Out and About with yours truly, Liz C. Cycling to the Junction Neighbourhood lunch and walking my bike back into the city. Shameless plug on my 4th channel, Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. Video presentation, day walk, shops, restaurants, and architecture in the Junction Neighbourhood.